In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Transak. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, and then you want to hover over buy crypto up top over here, and then you want to basically select which crypto you want to buy. So over here, there's going to be a few listed. If you want any more, you can just click on buy crypto as individual, or of course as a business, and then you're going to be basically taken to this widget over here where you can buy your crypto. So the first thing you have to do, of course, is select what you want to buy. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and use Bitcoin. I'm going to go with Bitcoin, and then I'm going to select how much I want to pay, and I'll just do 50 euros for now. Okay. Now, when you do this, it's going to basically prompt you to select what payment method you want to use. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different ones. There's the SEPA, Open Banking, Visa, Google Pay, Apple Pay, etc. I'm just gonna do the Visa over here for this one, or MasterCard, of course. And then you can see how much you will receive. You want to click on Buy Now, and the next thing you want to do here, you want to enter in your wallet address. So for Bitcoin, I'm gonna use my Trust wallet over here. You can use any wallet you want. You just have to basically sign into your wallet. So it opens up, and then in here, what you want to do is find Bitcoin. For me, it's over here, or of course, any crypto you're trying to buy. In my case, it's Bitcoin, but in your case, it may be something different. And then you want to look for the receive button. You want to click on that, and then you want to copy this address over here of the specific coin you want. Then you want to paste in the address and click on buy down here at the bottom. And what's going to happen is then you're going to have to provide your email, and after your email, some more of your personal info. And after you provide your info, you'll then be able to put in your details with either your bank account, your card, or of course, whatever you selected as the payment processor, and then you'll be able to pay and buy crypto that way on Transak and receive it onto your address, which you put in here. So that's how this works. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.